Pushing the bounds of innovation, SpaceX's challenging journey with Starship stage separation. As we explore the cosmos, SpaceX's Starship defies conventional rocket engineering with its unique stage separation design. Traditionally, rockets jettison stages to reduce weight. Yet, Starship's reusable design presents a compelling, albeit challenging alternative. Starship's ambitious plan involves landing the vehicle back on Earth. But the challenge lies in perfecting stage separation without jeopardizing reusability. Starship separates its stages in mid-flight. This daring approach demands precision engineering and impeccable timing to ensure a smooth transition. SpaceX's innovative approach to stage separation is redefining the boundaries of space exploration by promising a sustainable future for interstellar travel. Join us as we delve deeper into the complexities of SpaceX's Starship, the new frontier of space exploration.